The Triumph TR2 was the first production car to feature modern disc brakes on all four wheels, a technology pioneered by Jaguar. Its body was designed by Walter Belgrove, who also pinned the lines of the Triumph Roadster and the Triumph Renown Saloon. The TR2's grille design focused on functionality to optimize cooling for the engine and was inspired by the iconic Triumph Razor Edge styling of the late 1940s. The dashboard was made of aluminum and featured a centrally mounted tachometer, a rarity for sports cars of that era. The windshield could be folded flat onto the hood, a feature that was carried over from the earlier Triumph Roadster. The TR2's interior featured a unique pull-push starter button instead of a traditional key ignition. The fuel tank was located behind the rear seats, contributing to its balanced weight distribution and handling. The TR2 was the first Triumph sports car to be exported to the United States, helping to establish the brand's reputation in the American market. The TR2 was campaigned in various motorsport events, including the 24 Hours of Le Mans, where it achieved class victories in 1954 and 1955. Its production run was relatively short, with only 8,636 units built over a two-year period. The TR2's success paved the way for the development of the Triumph TR3, which featured a more powerful engine and updated styling. Its chassis was designed to be easily adaptable for different body styles, leading to the creation of the Triumph TR2 Coupe and the Triumph TR2 Drophead Coupe. The engine was derived from the Triumph Renown Saloon, but was extensively modified for performance and reliability in the sports car application. The TR2's interior featured a unique, clamshell glove box that opened from the center of the dashboard. Its suspension geometry was designed to provide a balance between handling and ride comfort, a trait highly praised by contemporary reviewers. The exhaust system featured a unique, twin-pipe design that exited through the rear bumper, adding to the car's sporty appearance. Production was briefly halted in 1954 due to a strike at the Triumph factory, leading to a temporary shortage of the popular sports car. The TR2's success helped to establish Triumph as a major player in the sports car market, paving the way for the brand's future successes with models like the TR6 and the Spitfire.